Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fish in Rust. So what you'll need to have is worm and fishing rod. So just take your worms and drop it right here and just right click it and throw it with this button, as you can see, like that. And now you'll need to wait until your bobber bobs down into the water. So you need to wait and wait. Sometimes it's hard. As you can see, I did move fast, but what you'll need to do is click S and point towards the fish. So let's try it again. As you can see, I'm holding the mouse, and you need to fight the fish and not let the rod break or the fishing line break. As you can see, it's not that easy to do. Just wait until the fish gets tired and click on the left mouse click button. So just click and let's see if we got the fish. No, something broke. So let's try it again. So you get the idea how you can fish in Rust. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next one. Peace.